Section 1. Booking a train ticket. A customer calls a train ticket booking service to reserve a ticket.
You have some time to look at the questions. City Rail. How can I help you? Customer. Hi, I'd like to book a train ticket from London to Manchester. Agent. Sure. What date are you travelling? Customer. 15th April. Agent. We have a train at 8:30 a.m., 12:45 p.m. and 5:15 p.m. Customer. I'll take the 12:45 p.m. train. How much is the fare? Agent. A standard ticket costs £45 and a first-class ticket is £80. Customer. I'll go with the standard ticket. Agent. Great. Would you like a window or aisle seat? Customer. Window seat, please. Agent. Your booking is confirmed. Your reference number is TR89765.
Section 2. A talk on daily exercise. A fitness coach gives a talk on the benefits of daily exercise.
You have some time to look at the questions.
Exercise is important for maintaining good health. Experts recommend at least 30 minutes of physical activity per day. Walking and jogging are simple ways to stay fit. Regular exercise helps in weight control, reducing stress, and improving sleep. Strength training, like lifting weights, helps build muscle strength. Stretching improves flexibility and reduces the risk of injuries. It's also important to stay hydrated before and after exercising. To see results, consistency is key.
Section 3. Discussion on a group project. Emily, Sarah and John discussing the project.
You have some time to look at the questions.
Sarah, guys, our business project is due in a week. How's the research going? John, I've completed the market analysis and found useful data on customer preferences. Emily, that's great. I'm working on the financial plan, estimating our startup costs and profits. Sarah, I'll focus on the marketing strategy, social media, and online ads. John, perfect. Should we meet on Friday to finalize everything? Emily, yes, let's meet in the library at 2 p.m.
Section 4. Lecture on the solar system.
You have some time to look at the questions.
The solar system was formed about 4.6 billion years ago and consists of the Sun, planets, and other celestial bodies. The Sun, our main energy source, produces heat through nuclear fusion. The four inner planets, also known as terrestrial planets, are Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. Beyond them is the asteroid belt, separating the inner planets from Jupiter and Saturn. Saturn is famous for its rings, composed of ice and rock. Neptune, the farthest planet, appears blue due to the presence of methane in its atmosphere. Beyond Neptune, we find the Kuiper belt, home to dwarf planets like Pluto.
Now it's time to check your answers. You can pause your video.